This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a very quick dessert, bananas in coconut milk. For this dish, plantains are usually used, but it's kind of difficult to get plantains where I live, so I'm using bananas instead. Anyway, I prefer the bananas because I find them sweeter and faster to cook. Plantains are different from bananas. Plantains are usually larger with a thicker skin. They come in green, yellow, or very dark brown colors. They are also starchier, harder, and not as sweet. And unlike bananas, they cannot be eaten raw. When you're choosing bananas for this recipe, choose bananas that are not too ripe. When your bananas are too ripe, they will break down during the cooking process. Peel the bananas and cut them into halves or quarters, depending on how big the bananas are. The other ingredients that we need are 200 ml of coconut cream, 300 ml of water, 40 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 pandan leaves. Tie these 2 pandan leaves into a knot so that they can fit easily into the pot. To cook, put all your ingredients into a pot. I'm using a wok here because I do almost everything in a wok. So put in the water, the coconut cream, the sugar, the salt, and the pandan leaves. Bring all this to a boil and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. This is to allow the pandan leaves to release its flavor. After 5 minutes, add in the bananas. Simmer it for another 5 minutes or till the bananas are soft. If you like your bananas to be softer or mushy, simmer it for a longer period of time. After simmering to the required doneness, remove the pandan leaves. And we are done. You can serve this dish hot or cold. This is a very quick and easy dessert, bananas in coconut milk.